Hey guys, welcome to today's video. And if you saw yesterday's, I was on the roof not explaining, but telling you. And here's the video. We got like maybe how much? Maybe like 10 pounds of slime. Because this weighs about 5, that weighs about 5 pounds. So we got 10 pounds of slime with the trampoline. So yeah, let's do something.
Turbine. You can make turbines with it. You can make polka dots.
Hey guys, look at this. If you put it up against the net, you can get that.
Yeah, mine works better.
Gonna jump around with it. So
Yeah.
mine's very floppy, but I guess that's good. And there's Amy's.
Mine's like rock hard.
But yeah, I'm gonna jump and land on it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it smacked the camera. It's like
again.
very squishy.
In mine,
It's like
so hard.
super hard, and this one is just like squishy.
Putting
Yeah.
this in a balloon would be awesome.
If you want to see like a video of how to make this, just hit like maybe like
I'll be
10
happy to show you guys.
10 likes and comment if you want it. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make this, just tell me. And yeah, it's very fun to play with. So yeah,
If we make it right, it'll be good.
yeah, let's get a little edit in.